Good morning guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gaius Thompson. If you're new here, I do gymnastics, used to do gymnastics. Currently on a break from it. Oh my god, I just stopped fucking shower. Ow! Currently on a break from gymnastics, traveling around Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos and Thailand. We are in Thailand at the moment. This is our last couple of days here, so we're effectively having a holiday on Koh Phangan, the island. One of the most beautiful places we've ever seen. And today what we're gonna try and do is make a little travel film, like a really typical, you know, cinematic travel video for you guys, and take photos while we're at it. Everything will be put in this video, everything will be on socials, so just stick around and follow everything. For the most part, our idea today was to go and see waterfalls and get some really cool photos by there, and you know, do all the cool shite that you see every travel vlogger do. But apparently it's dry season, so there are no waterfalls at all, like running. It's just nothing, no water, so we're gonna have to go to a beach. There's an island that's connected via a tiny little strip of beach that we're gonna try and go to, and we'll see what we can get there. We do have some sad news at the moment, which is that Frank and Georgie, we have parted ways. Nothing, obviously not under bad circumstances, but we're just going to two different places now. We're on our way home very slowly, and they've got another month out here. But yeah, we spent nearly 3 months with them, and the memories that we've created have been some that I just don't think we'll ever forget for a lifetime. And it was probably some of the best times we've ever had. So it's kind of sad to have parted ways, but at the same time, but they're lucky enough to be going to Bali and a bunch of other islands in the next next month or so. So we just wish them the best and hope that they continue to enjoy their adventure, and we'll enjoy our 12-hour flight home to England that is full of coronavirus at the moment. Okay, so update, we spent a lot of time. What was the beach called, Leah? Do you remember it? I don't know. We spent quite a lot of time there this afternoon doing pictures and just chilling in general. We've now come back to our first hotel that we stayed in for the first couple of nights while we're in Koh Phangan. We've just come back here because it has a really beautiful beach. The sun is getting low, so it's almost golden hour time. Gonna take some portraits of Leah, you know, facial stuff. Get that golden light on her, but just appreciating how peng this whole island is. It's just been a really chilled day. Yeah, we're gonna get the 50mm out. We're gonna shoot some absolute bangs.